The guy is still there. The guy with the high roller engineer from CSX. Today is February 1st, 2024, Thursday. Here we go again, everybody. And the engineer is still here. And high roller is still here. Okay. Let's see where does it come from. Probably just checking. Because I don't heard the train. Probably checking. Oh yeah, just checking. Only checking. It's alright. I think he's checking again because I don't hear the horn. Yes, he's checking again. Alright, make sure everything's fine, working correctly. Alright guys, I hope you guys like it. Please hit like the button and share with everybody. Thanks. Have a wonderful day, everybody. This is for the Terrible 63, my son, Ivan.